My name's Dave Petrovsky. I've been a welder, fabricator for over 30 years. I've been with Glick Fire Equipment for 22 years. I'm certified in steel and aluminum and on the new Pierce Ascendant.
Hi, my name is Chase Vonnestock. I've been working with Glick Fabrication for 3.5 years. I've been in metal fabrication for 10 years. I am certified to weld on the Ascendant aerial ladders.
Hi, I'm Tim. I've been with Glick Fire Equipment in the fabrication department for 17 years. Prior to this, I worked in the steel industry for an additional 18 years. Been around fire trucks my whole life.
Here in the fabrication department, we work with the customer from start to finish, from layout till it's done. All three of us in the fabrication shop work really hard to just put out the best product. Sometimes it takes a while to figure out a layout, but we try to use every square inch on the truck. Space is at a premium.
It's important to customize the equipment mounting in a fire truck, one for ease of use, two to maximize the space in the fire truck to get as much equipment on the truck as possible, but also make it easy enough to get off so that it doesn't hinder them doing their job.
We mount equipment in drawers, walls, tool boards, swing out tool boards, vertical tool boards, pretty much anything. If it can be done, chances are pretty good we can do it.
We can basically fabricate just about anything on a fire truck that needs to be done, whether it be a waterway, front intake, we can modify front bumpers.
The customer comes to us with all their equipment. We spend a couple hours with them laying out their truck, figuring out what'll fit where.
We can tell them whether or not it's going to work, usually by looking at it and knowing from experience what has worked in the past and what hasn't.
And we go through the process of giving them a quote, and then if they approve the quote, we fabricate shelves, brackets, anything needed to mount the equipment.
When it comes to customizing the truck, we basically start out with raw material, figure everything dimensions-wise that's going to fit in the truck, cut it, bend it, and then if it needs welded, we weld it, test everything out before it gets painted and finalized in the truck. That way we know that we did our job and we're giving them as much room as possible.
We pay great attention to detail and craftsmanship. As far as Pierce apparatus goes,
we use all factory extrusions and materials that other fabrication shops cannot use because they cannot get them from Pierce because we are a Pierce dealer.
When something leaves here, it looks the same as if it would leave the factory.
Glick Fabrication Department really pays very close attention to detail, not only how we fabricate things, but also how we weld things. We try to make things look as pretty as possible so that the fire company can take pride in their trucks for years to come.
The customer is always happy when they leave here.